Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to set up industry types in your audit inspection system, the categories that classify the entities you audit, so your inspections are tailored to the right kind of organization. Let's get started. From the sidebar, navigate to Audit Inspection and click it to open the Audit Inspection dropdown. In the dropdown, navigate to System Setup. This is where you configure the building blocks the rest of the module relies on. Now select Industry Types. The page opens with a list of the categories you've already set up, so you can review what exists before adding more. Click here to create a new industry type. A short form opens with the fields you'll need, a name, and a description. In the name field, enter the category you want to add. A clear name keeps your audits sorted by the kind of entity they apply to. Next, in the description field, describe when this industry type is used. A clear note here helps your team pick the right category when setting up an audit. Then set the status to control whether this industry type is active. This determines whether it's available for selection or held back for later. Now click Create to save it. Your new industry type is added to the system's list straight away. And that's a wrap on industry types. You've just learned how to add an industry type and describe when it's used. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your audit inspection system.